different animals. Where?
I see it, and then I see my mom, dad, and a mom, and I have to go in the horseback.
In the horseback, yeah, you have a view.
But it runs so fast.
I know. I know.
Big jump and jump.
Okay, so
Side view,
what I want to see,
We have eggs.
you sit down from under the carpet. Do not touch that one. Okay, so mostly all the wild animals are living in the forest, jungle, or even you can see them in the zoo. Believe? Okay. What about the farm animals? Where you can find the farm animals? Sometimes you can find where? In the backyard or in the farm. Yeah? So who have a farm? There's someone there is a you have farm? You have? Okay. Some of animals or wild animals are zebra, lion, yeah, that is very dangerous. What else, Bani? Wild animals. Monkey, good job. What else? Elephant,